Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. It's actually part three because I had another one named the same thing. So this is the first one was part two. This is part three. As I promised, I was going to show how one, how to clean this up, and two, get a little bit bigger outline around this A like the original logo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this mountain. I've still got my nudge factor set on 2 inches. I'm going to nudge all this stuff out of the way. I'm just hitting my left arrow key. We don't need the yellow box anymore. And I'm going to group this together, Control G or group. Now, I'm going to take my letters and I'm going to left click, right click and have no fill. I'm going to go up to Effects and Contour, and I'm going to contour 0.015. I'm going to make an outline of that. Now I'm going to go up to Object, Break Contour Apart. I'm going to grab the inside one and move it down. I'm going to turn it black, take away the line by left clicking. I'm going to take this and turn it black. I'm going to move my mountains back in. Now my A is bigger than the mountains. So I'm going to select these two objects and go back minus front, and it took away my lettering. So now I can move my original lettering up. And what that did, that cleaned up this area around the mountain and made it more, well, one, the mountain's clean and it's further off the A. I hope that helped a little bit. So stay tuned for part three, where I'm going to add, hopefully, add this shadow. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.